TikTok is one of the best applications ever. It is like providing the job opportunity to number of people around as well as giving you that beautiful choice to share your lifelong memories and roller coasters of life with millions of people. And my friend, she is like one of the best TikTok consumers and content creators. She has like 1 million followers on TikTok, and yesterday she was complaining like, why don't I have that option of create playlist on my account? And I was like, yo bro, chill out, you have like 1 million subscribers and still regretting? And I was like, yo bro, I'm creating a video for you about how to create playlist on TikTok. So yes, let's get started. So first go into TikTok, maybe lower a volume. Okay, now you go into following for right now for me. Okay, like this girl, she has 5 lakh followers, and she has not got that option of create playlist for now. So maybe another, okay, like this, another woman, and she has like 1 lakh subscriber but has got that option of playlist already. So maybe go into family, and she has like playlist and videos with all the family stuffs. And maybe another person, okay, like this guy. Okay, this guy has like around 2 lakh subscribers, and he has got that option of create playlist already, and he has like so many videos. Okay, like slow-mo, has got slow-mo videos. And yes, you see there is no any certain criteria in TikTok to have the create playlist option. So there is no certain criteria like you reach 2 lakh subscribers and get the create playlist option. There is no such thing. But maybe as an alternative, as a safe thing, what you do is go into your profile, go into the 3 horizontal lines or bars, and settings and privacy, manage account, and yes, always have your business account switched on. Okay, like switch to business account, and this will be like a way to have the create playlist option on TikTok. So if you want to like next, okay, now you select the category, like respective category, and next, and skip. Now this is your professional account or the business account, and this will help you like get the option of create playlist on TikTok real soon. And I hope this video was really helpful. If it was, then please make sure to hit like. This is me signing off. Have a great day.